You can use the fold and unfold features to temporarily flatten bends in your sheet metal parts, allowing you to create features while the part is flattened. For instance, an extruded cut across the bend region. To temporarily flatten a bend in a sheet metal model, you can use the unfold feature. Using the unfold feature is easy. I'll launch it from the sheet metal toolbar. This is the Unfold Property Manager. You can see there are really only two fields I must specify: a fixed face and bends to unfold. The unfold feature is pretty intuitive. Imagine you were to clamp this part and unfold the bends using a pair of pliers. That's basically what the unfold feature will be doing. The fixed face would be the face that you clamp, so I choose the bottom flat face for the part. For the bends to unfold, I can either use the Collect All Bends button to unfold every bend in the part relative to the fixed face, or I can choose the bends manually by selecting them in the graphics area. Instead of using the Collect All Bends button, I'll only unfold this single bend here. So I'll select it, and when I click the green check, you can see it's unfolded. Now I can create additional features with the bend unfolded. I'll show you why this is useful in a later lesson, but for now, to return the part back to its bent state, I can use the Fold feature to refold the bend. The Fold feature Property Manager looks identical to the Unfold feature. I'll select the fixed face, again select the bend, and click the green check. The bend is folded back up. Notice the feature is added to the tree, and just like every other feature, it's a time-dependent feature, meaning I can use the rollback bar to go back to before the feature was added, suppress and unsuppress the feature, and edit it, just like any other.